Yo, what's up, gang? It's your boy GZ Reacts, and today we're reacting to Ronaldo getting the golden button, getting the golden button on the first day of creating his channel, bro. Can't lie, YouTube, you have to save your shit, gang. Listen to me, cause, bro, you're gonna lose all the gold in the world. You're gonna give it to him, bro, cause I ain't even glazing. He's gonna get the most subscribers, bro. We're saying like it's a mad thing, but it's not at the same time. You know what I'm saying? It's Ronaldo, bro. Like, imagine if Messi created the channel, though. They're gonna compete for the next YouTuber as well, like for the next GOAT YouTuber. That's crazy, but we're gonna see the reaction. We're gonna react to the reaction of his kids of him bringing the golden button. Let's go.
Tengo un regalo hoy, Eva. Vamos a hacer un juego con los tres a ver quién gana.
Yo, how many kids does Ronaldo have? Like, comment down. I genuinely want to know.
Recibe.
Damn. Bro, I guess he started a YouTube channel because of his kids. Like, it makes sense. Yeah.
Recibe. Esta placa. ¿Conocen esto?
Sí.
¿Quién quiere?
Yo.
Vamos a hacer un
Bro, they might be more happy when he brought home the Ballon d'Or, bro. Like, low key.
juego.
¿Quién te la da?
¿Qué ha dicho hoy? ¿Que papá habría qué hoy? Canal de papá, que sí. Y papá ha llegado a 1.000.000 de suscriptores. Récord.
Tenemos la
Mira
placa.
ahí. You are Chris Tiano. Y vamos a hacer un juego.
Dame mi placa, es mía. ¡Oh! Pesa. Ese no me gusta lo que vemos en YouTube.
Espera, de aquí. Ojo los deditos.
Va, para. ¿Se lo gano yo? ¿Y le das un beso?
Bella le ha dado un beso.
¿Eso es mentira?
Is it fake?
Mateo, ¿te acuerdas en YouTube que hay una
Why would he get a fake one? But that's what kids are about, bro. They're like honest, like too honest. You know what I'm saying? But yeah.
Mira por la placa de millones.
You know what, bro? That was a wholesome watch, bro. Golden button for my golden kids. That's a title. But yeah. YouTube. Give me my golden button, bro. I'm hustling hard, know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna let you decide. And subscribe if you haven't, so I can get the golden button as well, you know what I'm saying? Peace out, guys.